definitely need to be able to set direction and create the strategy and set direction. Ideally by involving people, of course, but everyone needs a purpose somehow or a clear direction for the team and individuals. And then depending on the level you are at, then you need to be able to take like the corporate strategy and then localize it or translate it into something that's relevant for your teams or your individuals or your department. I think that whole idea of working with strategy is super important in leadership, and also knowing that we're not talking about a 5-year strategy anymore. We're talking about strategies that can be adjusted and updated regularly. So you need also a cadence in that work. And then, of course, you need to build great teams. So you need to understand what is a great team and how do you create high performing teams, and a lot about psychological safety as we also discussed as part of building teams in the agile sense. So how do you do that? You need to look for growth mindset. So status quo is really not an option in a tech company these days. So how do you instill that and work with people, because not everyone has has a growth mindset. So, but as a leader, you can definitely not have a fixed mindset. So at least that's my experience. And of course, defining the playing field, whatever that means in your context, but setting the expectations to your teams or your departments. That's, I think, would be the hallmarks of a good leader.